Hello and welcome to my first open lecture. I'm Ivana Petrovska and I am a student of English Language and Literature at the Faculty of Education in Bitola. It is also known as Pedagoški fakultet. Its basic educational service is education and training of future teachers. In this first lecture, I'm going to talk about the Rogerian argument. Let's first start with a short story which will help everyone understand the Rogerian argument better. Imagine a circus where the ringmaster is in charge of working with and training lions. If the ringmaster approaches the lions in a threatening way, they will kill him. However, if he is calm, they will obey him. The Rogerian argument is similar to the situation. Some issues are so highly charged that it is very difficult to persuade the audience. In such situation, the writer should approach the audience in a non-threatening way, just like the ringmaster approaches the lion. According to Carl Rogers, a Rogerian argument is a negotiating strategy in which common goals are identified and opposing views are described objectively in an effort to establish common ground and reach an agreement. The Rogerian argument is also known as Rogerian rhetoric, Rogerian argumentation, and empathic listening. The Rogerian argument was found by the psychologist Carl Rogers, and its main focus is to establish a middle ground between the author and the audience. You, as a writer, have to understand your biases and how you might work to find common ground with others. The writer has to seek for compromise as well as arguments to find a mutually beneficial solution to an issue. The Rogerian argument is a complex matter that was adjusted to rhetoric by many writing scholars. There are three things to be done by the writer who uses the Rogerian strategy. The main difference between Rogerian and the traditional argument is that the traditional argument focuses on winning, while the Rogerian argument seeks for a mutually satisfactory solution. According to the traditional argumentation, a speaker opposes their opponent by underlining what is wrong. On the other hand, the Rogerian argument represents how the opponent's claim is valid and demonstrates that the speaker understands the opponent's claims. In the Rogerian argument, the writers share similar values with the opponent. Then they get a consensus, and at the end, they propose a solution. The Rogerian argument is effective when the writer addresses highly controversial issues where the person you refer to or yourself have a tendency to be highly emotional. The Rogerian argument can help opponents come to a common understanding or at least a mutual respect for each other's opinions. It is clear that the two sides would never fully agree with each other, but they will come to a common ground.